When it comes to choosing a Linux distribution, the options can be overwhelming. Two popular choices are Fedora and Arch Linux, but which one is the better fit for your needs? In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two distros to help you decide. Fedora is a community-driven, free, and open-source Linux distribution sponsored by Red Hat. It's known for its focus on free and open-source software, as well as its cutting-edge packages and features. Fedora is a great choice for users who want a stable, user-friendly, and well-supported Linux experience. It's often recommended for beginners or those transitioning from other operating systems. On the other hand, Arch Linux is a highly customizable, rolling release distribution that puts the user in control. It's designed for experienced Linux users who are comfortable with the command line and want to build their system from the ground up. Arch Linux offers a steep learning curve, but it allows for a high degree of personalization and control over the system. When it comes to package management, Fedora uses the DNF package manager, while Arch Linux uses the Pacman package manager. Both are powerful and efficient, but Pacman is generally considered more straightforward and user-friendly. In terms of desktop environments, Fedora offers a wide range of options, including GNOME, KDE, XFCE, and more. Arch Linux, on the other hand, is more flexible, allowing users to choose and install their preferred desktop environment. Ultimately, the choice between Fedora and Arch Linux comes down to your level of Linux experience, your preferences, and the specific needs of your workflow. Fedora is a great option for beginners or those who want a more user-friendly experience, while Arch Linux is better suited for experienced users who want a highly customizable and flexible system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.